It's Michael again, and today I'm going to introduce the manager level user within Intervals. The manager level user is bound by the project permissions, just like resources and executives, so they only see projects where they're a member of the project team. A helpful way to think about a manager is they're kind of like a mini administrator in that their view is very similar to an administrator, but only for projects where they're a member of the project team. So if they don't have access to a project, they don't know it exists. And also, managers cannot create new clients, new people, or new projects. The most common use case for the manager is an administrator, uh, lands a contract, gets a project, creates the project, and then the manager runs with executing all the details, including managing the tasks. On the task listing, they see all of the tasks where they're a member of a project team. One quick advanced feature on the task list: if you happen to filter it by a single project, you get additional options over here with the bulk update functionality. So you can select multiple tasks, select all the tasks. Then down here in the with selected, you actually get these additional options. So if you're wondering, I want to move all tasks from one assignee to another assignee, I want to bulk change the due date, you can do that with Intervals. Just these additional options only show up when you run the filter for a single project. For reports, as I mentioned, they do see all of the reports. They just can only run the reports on data where they're a member of a project team. So if they don't have access to a project, they cannot run a report for it. The only special preference that exists with managers is the ability to view invoices. By default, a manager can create and view invoices for projects where they're a member of a project team. If you remove this ability, then the invoices tab disappears for them. Reload this. And then within a particular project, the invoices section disappears. And this came to be by feature requests, where a lot of our customers use subcontractors or people to execute their projects. So in this example, you can create a project, assign a manager to it to run with all the details. They can see the budget that you've set up for it, but they can't see the invoicing. So they can't see what that you're actually invoicing the clients. This is the manager user.